Hello friends, my name is Ajay Khod. Today's video topic is abstraction and encapsulation in Java. The Java is the object-oriented programming language and is the follows. The OPS concept is the OPS concept is include the classes, object, polymorphism, inheritance. There are the two other features of the OPS, that is the abstraction and encapsulation. There are the both seem is the very similarly to totally different is the concept of the encapsulation. The major difference between the abstraction and encapsulation, it is the abstraction is hide the code of the complexity, will be encapsulation is hide the internal working from of the outside world. And in this section we will be discuss abstraction and encapsulation and the difference between the abstraction and encapsulation in Java. The first one is the abstraction. It is the features of the OPS. It is used to the hide the necessary information of the data from of the user, but show the initial data that is the useful for the user. It is can be achieved by the using the interface and the abstract classes in the interfaces. Only the method of the exponent of the end of user. The best example of the abstraction example is the TV remote. The user only inherits the outer interface, the nothing but key. The user only is known as the which is to the process of the function. And second point is the encapsulation. It is the also is the features of the OPS. It is used to the bend the up to the data into the single unit. It's called as the class. It is provided the mechanism which is known as the data handling. It is the important features of the OPS. It is the prevent access data and the member of form of the outside of the classes. It is the also necessary from of the security point of view. Encapsulation is defined as the hypering up to the data under the single unit. It is the mechanism that is the bind the together code and data. Another way to the think about the encapsulation is the protective shield, and that is the prevent the data from of the beginning seen by the code outside the shield. Technically is the encapsulation is the variable or data of the classes is hide form of the any other classes, and the can be assigned only together the number of the function of the now the classes is which is the declared. And the encapsulation is the data is the classes is hidden form of the classes using the data hiding concept, which is the achieved by the making the number of methods and of the classes is private, and this classes is expanded to the end of user or the word of without providing the details beyond the inflation of the using the abstraction concept. So it is the also known as the combustion of the data handling, that is the abstraction. And last point is the difference between the abstraction and encapsulation. First point is the abstraction. Abstraction is the process or the method of the giving the information. Encapsulation is first point. Will be encapsulation is the process or the method of the continuous the information. In a abstraction problem are the solved in the design or interface level. Will be encapsulation is problem is solved the information of the level. And abstraction the method of the hiding the information. Encapsulation, where the encapsulation is the method to the hide the data and single for the unit along with the method of the protect of the information from the outside. And for third point, we can the implement the abstraction using the abstract class and the interfaces. Waiver of the encapsulation can be implemented using the by the access modifier, that is the private, protected and public. And last point is the in abstraction is the implementation is the complexity, where are the hide the using the abstraction classes and interfaces using the encapsulation, and the data hides using the methods of the greater than the shader. Thank you.